Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily enable Apple Pay in Stripe. So all you have to do is head over to your Stripe dashboard at dashboard.stripe.com and make sure that you're logged into your Stripe account. Next is just head over to settings by clicking on this icon, then scroll down, then click on payments. Next is click on payment methods. So from here, you can see a list of payment methods available and just scroll down and look for Apple Pay. To make sure that Apple Pay is enabled, it should be the same with other payment methods that has active remark on it. And all you have to do is click on turn on, and just by that, we have enabled Apple Pay. By clicking on this icon, you can view details about Apple Pay. You have an option to configure domains, configure iOS certificates, and turn it off. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!